if you are running a digital agency in this time, chances are you have already come across two giants in the white label software space, Vendasta and the GoHighLevel. Both promise to give you a full suite of tools you can rebrand and sell your own, helping you to scale without consistently building from scratch. But the big question is, which one is actually better for your agency this year? Now let's dive in. First, let's look at the Vendasta. Vendasta has been around for quite a while and it's one of the most established white label platforms, and it positions itself as an entire marketplace of solutions. Not just an CRM or marketing automation tool, you can offer SEO, social media management, listing management, reputation services, websites, and even the advertising, all inside one ecosystem. And the beauty is you can completely white label it. Your clients see your brand, but in reality, Vendasta is powering everything under the hood. The strength of Vendasta lies in its marketplace. Instead of building every service in-house, it connects you to dozens of providers. This means you can instantly offer new services without hiring new staff. For example, if a client asks for listing management or reputation repair, you don't need to figure out how to deliver it. Vendasta has fulfillment partner that can do the heavy lifting while you keep the client's relationship. Now let's talk about the downside. The downside is the cost can add up. Between software fees and the fulfillment, smaller agencies sometimes feel squeezed. Now let's talk about the GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel has become the poster child for marketing agencies that want all-in-one and DIY-friendly platform. Unlike Vendasta's marketplace approach, GoHighLevel is more of a unfilled software suite. You get funnels, websites, CRM, email, SMS booking, calendars, membership, pipelines, basically everything you would normally suite together with other tools like ClickFunnels, ActiveCampaign, Calendly, and even the WordPress. Now what makes the GoHighLevel really powerful is the automation. The workflows you can create rival advanced tools like HubSpot but at a fraction of a cost. So you can also white label the entire platform. That means your clients log in and see your website, not GoHighLevel. Plus, GoHighLevel has a huge community of agency owners to sharing the templates, workflow, and the strategies, which speeds up the learning curve. So how do they compare head to head? If your agency's focus is broad and you want to be able to sell a wide range of services without personally delivering them, then Vendasta is the safer option for you, because it's like having a marketplace of ready-made service behind you. But if you are more interested in offering a powerful SaaS style platform where you manage marketing, lead generation, and the automation directly, GoHighLevel is the stronger choice for you. By the way, if you use the link in the description, you can get the 30 days free trial instead of the 14 days. So go to the description of this video and use the link for GoHighLevel. One important note is the cost. Vendasta can get expensive, especially once you start tapping into fulfillment services. GoHighLevel by comparison feels much more affordable since it replaces multiple tools. And because many agencies turn into their own white label SaaS, it often pays for itself quickly. So which one is a better choice and better white label agency software for you? It really depends on your model. Now if you are building an agency that acts as a broker of services, offering everything from SEO to ads and the reputation, Vendasta gives you the infrastructure. But if you are more focused on marketing, automation, and client retention through a branded platform, then GoHighLevel is hard to beat. Now what is the bottom line? Vendasta is like having an entire department store of services you can resell, and GoHighLevel is like the owning a powerful Swiss army knife you can customize for every client. The better choice comes down to whether you would rather sell services at scale or software at scale. And this was the video for today. If you found this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.